What's going on, you guys? Happy almost Christmas. I just wanted to share to you guys my plays next week. Just because it's Christmas, it's a 4-day trading week, but we are still going to be making money. So first one we have is CLSK, Clean Spark. It's a Bitcoin mining company. Overall, I'm bullish on Bitcoin with the new administration coming in. They are very pro crypto, so I can only see Bitcoin going up, especially in the future, but it is volatile right now. The market's just been kind of crazy since last week, so we'll see. As long as Bitcoin doesn't fucking crash, we should be good collecting premium on CLSK. I have a $9 put. I have 11 contracts. The current share price is $11.30. We're already up 66%, $110 already collected. We still have $55 to collect, guys, and that'll happen just with time decay. And then obviously, if this company is up on Monday at the open, I mean, this is going to turn into like easy 80-85%. I could just buy to close it if I want at that point and open up a new contract of something else. Right here we got an average premium of $15 a contract and 11 contracts of that, guys. I bought these contracts, or sold these contracts, excuse me, on 12/19, and they expire on 12/27. So if we can come over here, view all options, sell put, here's the share price, 11.30, and we go in here, look at the delta, 0.06. I mean, we should be solid on this one, guys. My next play that I'm rocking is Mara Holdings. It's another Bitcoin play. Premiums were pretty good last week because Bitcoin was experiencing some volatility and everything was kind of down, so premiums were pretty good. Total return just breaking even at this point because it did go down after I bought it. My strike price is 17.5. The share price is 20.35. And I have how many contracts? I have 6 contracts with an average credit of $19 a contract. And I bought this on 12/19 as well, and it expires 12/27. So like I said, as long as Bitcoin doesn't crash, I mean, this is easy premium as well, especially with the time decay over the weekend. I mean, this 0% right here, total return, should be up Monday morning, God willing. Let's check it out right here. View all options, sell put, share price 20.35. We go down here with my 17.5 strike, and we have a delta of 0.13. So as long as we're under 2, I mean, we're at that 80%. I think we're going to be just fine on this play, guys. Easy premium. Let's see how much more. $114 premium that we're going to be collecting on this, God willing, but I'm pretty sure we'll be okay. God's on our side. My next play we're rocking is SoundHound AI, SOUN, Sound. I got a 13.5 put on this, guys, and I'm rocking 9 contracts, and the share price right now is $21.98. $21.98. It's got to drop pretty damn far in the next 4 days for me to get assigned at 13.5 and go in the money. So I'm feeling pretty confident about this. Look at this. We're already up 78%. And I literally just wrote this contract last week on 12/19. 9 contracts, average credit of $18, guys. See, this is the beauty about cash secured puts, is especially if there's some volatility in the market, you can get like a delta, a 0.1 delta, like 85%, 88% chance of profit, and make, a couple $100. And that money adds up over time, guys. We do these weekly. We check the market every week. We see what the new plays are, and we just try to make safe, consistent money. And as long as this doesn't crash and something crazy like World War IV happens, man, we'll be collecting, dude. We'll definitely be collecting. So let's check this out, guys. View all options. Sell put. 21.98, and we come all the way down here, 13.5. I got 4 more days of active trading in the market next week, and then we just collect. Look at this, 0.02 to write this now. We go down here, the delta is 0.01. Come on, man. This is an easy money play, guys. Super stoked on this one. So my last and final play for next week, guys, is AMD. So actually, I got assigned last Friday, 300 shares, 3 contracts, value of $36K. So we are currently assigned to AMD. I'm at a total return of negative 437, a 1.20% loss. I was writing contracts at 121. I think I also had a contract at 129, and AMD really tanked last week, so I got assigned around 121. The share price is now is 120. So what we're gonna do is see my average cost right here, 121.56. What we're gonna do is be writing covered calls to get this cost basis back down. We want to lower our cost basis, collect premium, and we're just gonna kind of hold and hopefully ride this back up. I'm hoping for a 150 to 180 price target, maybe at the end of next year. We'll see, but currently they are at a low. We're not buying at the high, so there's some good news hopefully coming out for AMD, so we should be profitable on this, guys. We go over here, trade AMD options. We'll be selling calls. So right here, 120. I'm going to be writing calls probably, guys, here at the 123 and the 124. All right, so we'll be collecting premium, lowering our cost basis, but this is where likely where I'm going to be writing calls. We'll definitely see when the market opens on Monday. So here's our account right now, guys, 95K. I'm hoping by the first week of next year, I'm up at 100K. We want 100K on the road to $1 million. And if you guys have any questions on how to earn passive income, writing covered calls or cash secured puts, let me know. I'll respond to all my comments. I'm trying to make passive income, guys. I'm not trying to show up every single day to work. I want to be there with my family. I want more time. I'm tired of this rat race lifestyle, guys. So, yeah, and I'm doing mainly weekly put options. I'm not trying to get assigned. I'm trying to save my money by not losing money. I'm trying to win that way. I don't want to lose. I want to win. So I'm doing weekly. I want control. I want to be in the market the least amount possible, collect premiums, and find those good deals. So if you guys have questions, let me know. I'll talk to you guys soon. For the 3-month chart, I mean, dude, we're already up 21K, guys, almost 22K. So things are looking good. Anyway, have a Merry Christmas. God bless. I'll see y'all later. Peace.